Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install DebNL Mobile on your uncompatible device. Let me show you it's not compatible for my phone. Nope. Okay, you want to go look up APK DebNL APK Pearl right here. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to type that in. I'm going to go in here. Then you come in here. Then you install the game right here. I'm going to install it real quick. So I'm going to pause it real quick.
Are things of the abyss better left unexplored and undiscovered? Arcane knowledge and forgotten truths that have pushed the most resilient of minds into a fathomless pit of madness. Of the entity, I know little. What I have concluded is this living dimension seems to slither through the cosmos like a primordial titan serpent, consuming people and worlds for reasons I dare not try to understand.
Okay guys, I'm playing this right now. Oops. See you later guys. Okay, bye.